So this is a really simple way. If for a class you have to draw a horse or anything, this is a really good way to do it. So you're gonna start by putting two big circles right in the middle of the paper, like so. And then you're gonna draw four tiny circles under each of them. And then you're gonna draw two circles at the top for a head. So you're gonna draw one right here and a smaller one right here. And then at the end you're just gonna connect all the circles. And right here, instead of going straight down, you're gonna curve it a little bit like that to make it a little bit more realistic. And then you connect the head. And then just to end it, you're gonna draw a tail at the end. And boom, there's a horse. If you wanna make it more lifelike, you can draw a mane, but this is just a really simple way of doing it.